Hi, babe. This is the second time that we've had Apple, and we're not too sure, right? Not too sure about it. We're making funny faces. Funny faces. Let's try a little bit more. Are you being a ham for the camera? What do you think? Not too sure. I think it might be a little too sour. Oh, a little too sour maybe. Doesn't taste very sour to Mama, but... And now we might be just making funny faces because Mommy's laughing when you're making those faces, right? Hi. Oh. Oh. You want a drink? Drink? Yeah. Here's your sippy. Drink. 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 Not interested. Say bye. Bye bye.